William Ruto has not taken back the dollar where it was. And Kenyans have kept on telling him, rudisha mahali Uhuru aliwacha, alafu uondoke. That's what they have been saying. So let us be factual. And you can't say that a country is managed by Forex. No. A country is managed by, the way Kibaki managed this country was, he allowed the middle class to grow. It is the middle class that powers the economy of a country. That is why Donald Trump, when he won the elections in the US, he addressed the issues of the middle class. Because he knew that the middle class is the engine of economic growth in any country. So don't come and lie to us here, oh, government to government, and yet you are the puppets, the puppeteers of William Ruto called IMF, have said the G2G deal was a useless deal that did not benefit the people of Kenya. Because if the prices of petroleum, the prices of fuel has dropped globally by 25%, wewe unakuja hapa Kenya unatushukishia by 3% and you expect us to clap for you. We are not that dumb. We are not that stupid as Kenyans. We must raise the bar of leadership and always expect the best. Ukishukisha unga paka shilingi 100, sisi tunataka ikuwe 40. We cannot clap for you because ni 100. And that is what we want. Every time a leader achieves, when William Ruto was in ODM, I want to remind William Ruto, when you were in ODM, you used to tell us this at Uhuru Park. And you used to quote an artist called Mike Twain. And you used to say this, that our problem as Kenya and Kenyan leadership is that we have raised the bar so low that we keep on achieving it and we celebrate. We need to raise the bar high so that in our failure to achieve that bar, we progress the country. So I want to tell William Ruto, stop celebrating the bar because you've set it so low. Set the bar high so that all of us can want to achieve that standards, those high standards. Otherwise, when you set the bar so low and you keep on achieving those low standards, these people will continue questioning you because you have interfered with what is in their pockets. About a guy who used to go with 400 shillings under Uhuru, today is going 150 shillings at home because you interfered with his pocket. That is where the economy is. The economy is, yesterday, wewe ulikuwa unaenda na pesa ngapi kwa mfuko Uhuru Kenyatta akiwa president. Na saa hii unaenda na pesa ngapi kwa mfuko? That is economic growth. Economic growth is not when a few people in the economy have money and the rest don't have money. Economic growth is when you look at yourself as an individual and you achieve and you ask yourself the very fundamental questions. Yesterday I was better. What has happened today? And that is what the American people have asked themselves. Donald Trump has gotten more votes from the black population than Kamala Harris, who is also black. Ask yourself why the black people in America trusted Donald Trump than Kamala Harris. It was about their pockets. It was about inflation. It was about what their take home. It is about, they say they're living from paycheck to paycheck. We are living worse than paycheck to paycheck, and the Americans are feeling the pain. They can afford to live paycheck from paycheck and still come to tours here. Yet we cannot afford to even make our own investments in this country. So people should not lie to us here. It's about Forex. It is about managing the economy, using the basics that Mwananchi uses every day. Transport, it's about managing the prices. It's about managing commodities and inflation. If you not manage that, William Ruto, don't lie to us. Thank you very much.